A very January-esque day today. Temperatures started out in the single digits and low teens. We finished off 20s to around 30. This has been a really cold March day. We've been watching sunshine giving way to increasing clouds as we've gone through this afternoon. That is your St. Joseph Health WeatherBug camera located at Center College in Danville. We are looking more or less off to the north, so you're looking back toward Tolliver Elementary. You got Main Street right there, and the stratocumulus clouds have been on the increase. And now we are beginning to pick up a couple of little flurries to the north, so you may still see one or two wander by. You can see them stretching scattered across the I-70 corridor to our north, and they are moving their way southeast. They are along and ahead of, gosh, what we needed, another cold front that brings another very cold night tonight. We have a little system coming through on Thursday, a little more robust one Friday morning. It actually gives us another brush with winter. We can have a little tiny bit of accumulating snow before it changes over to rain on Friday. Don't get excited, because by this weekend we will be seeing springtime warmth, but also bringing springtime thunderstorms along for the ride. This cold air that has dropped into the country is historic. It broke records in the northern plains, for the state records, as a matter of fact, up around Montana, 47 degrees below zero at its core. Well, the other thing that this high has done has dropped the freeze line all the way to the Gulf. Even into Florida, there was a freezing temperature this morning in Milton, Florida. Of the lower 48 states, officially South Carolina now is the only state that did not have a reporting station below freezing, but it's not a surprise if the high mountains there along the North Carolina border got below freezing, but there were no stations there to record it. So this is a big time cold air mass. And as it reinforces itself tonight, we are talking lows headed down into the low teens for us once again. Right now our temperature is upper 20s to around 30. It is a very cold afternoon out there. And with those increasing clouds, 28 degrees, Bluegrass Airport, west wind at 15. That's what's cutting through you today. Creates a wind chill of 17. All right, remember that white line there is our freeze line. Tomorrow we're going to flirt with freezing. If we do not get there in Lexington, third consecutive day below freezing. Last time we had 3 straight days in March not getting to freezing was 1998, and it's only happened a dozen times in Lexington's recorded weather history. So we're in big deal territory here. By Thursday, okay, the freeze line's moving north. By the time we're into Friday, we've evacuated the Arctic air off the continental U.S. And in fact, we're watching some mild air coming in, and we look to Saturday and Sunday, there are some springtime temperatures looming out there for us. So Arctic high pressure is building in again. That little front comes by tonight with its little renegade flurry or two. We have another reinforcing cool shot dropping southward for Thursday. It may produce a brief little flurry or sprinkle. Again, that's not going to be a big deal. The system coming in for Friday morning will have a little bit more oomph to it. And with that, again, a little minor accumulation cannot be ruled out. For tonight, clouds early, renegade flurry. Very cold for us again. Overnight lows down to about a dozen. Partly to mostly sunny, still very cold tomorrow, just a little bit breezy. High temperatures will be in the low 30s. Yes, that's my ringtone, Nancy. It's the Cubs theme song. Anyway.
I thought somebody was yelling at us.
No. Anyway, Thursday, a little sprinkle or flurry. Friday, a little light snow in the morning gives way to rain, then thunderstorms over the weekend. Saturday evening will be the center point on that.
You ever done live TV before?
Once or twice, yeah.
Supposed to turn your phone off.
Well, that's my office back there, though.
Thank you, Bill. Still ahead, Papa John Schnatter may be cutting his last remaining tie to the pizza chain he founded.
And details on that are coming up on LEX 18 News at 5:30. But next at 5, a Mercer County couple pleads guilty to a horrific charge.